Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I have an unboxing today of what I consider to be special use shoes. So this is not my typical dress shoe. This is something very specific that I picked up for a very specific use. And it's from Edmonds, probably because I know the brand the best. And I've got a lot of experience with them. And as we look, these are boat shoes. So I'm going to be doing some boating and wanted to have a pair of boat shoes that I can wear on the boat. Now what's interesting is these look like they are Goodyear welted, but as I take them out, they are Blake stitched, right? Versus Goodyear welted, but thin, easy, light, with an insole. The nubuck leather is nice. It's lined. Ventilated, so should be a good, these are called Force 10, and they are exactly what I was hoping for. Light, so I can wear them with shorts, and this neutral color, so that I can wear them anywhere. Now these are factory seconds, so I'm not worried about, you know, the little thing here and a little thing there. This is really something for me to wear on the boat, and not really a statement of fashion or anything like that. So again, functional shoes for functional use. Obviously tied backwards, so it goes like that, but we can fix that. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and this is a pair of Edmonds Force 10. Pretty nice looking functional shoes.